Okay, we're gonna do a little block of street art. This is a nice park in here, as you can see. And this one is, I think this is called the Opium Museum, I think. And then this one is this really cool building. And when we get to the other side, there's gonna see some really amazing artwork, so I'm gonna just share that. It's kind of typical Macau, these kind of mural sidewalks that are like that, black and white, Portuguese inspired or origin. And here we go, here's our little street art. And then just for context, I don't know if you can see, there's some people right there. See those tiny little people right there? That's how... Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. People right there. That's how small this is, and then that artwork is so big. So yeah, like that building is amazing. Okay, here comes a vehicle right here. So we're just gonna show some of this artwork. It's really amazing. And just kind of put context of like how big this is, so you can see. Let me just see. Hello. I was hoping to get somebody to walk by for context of that, of how beautiful it is. Oh, you can see it with this vehicle right here. So there's a vehicle right there, and actually there's some more artwork on the other side too. So we're gonna film over there in a minute. Here's the street, kind of cool looking stuff in general, and then you can see some more artwork on this building. And here's our original building. Here's the other one with some artwork on the sides, and everybody's gonna take some pictures of it because it's so cool. So we got this artwork here, and this one too. Okay, so we're just gonna walk by. I think there's some more stuff down here, so we're just gonna go all the way down. Oh, some really cool detail. Let's just look at some of this detail. So we got God of Gamblers. Okay, that's kind of cool. That's really beautiful. It's kind of like cartoon art. It's really vibrant colors too. Wow. So we're actually gonna go down and see some more. Kobe, Japan. It's beautiful. Oh, actually, this is kind of cool too. Kind of like that one right there. This is everywhere in Macau. I don't know what this means, but I see some artwork that's like that everywhere. Pikachu. Actually, when I was here the other day, I actually filmed here. That looks like it's in Japanese. Oh, here's Korean. So there's some things written in Korean and some in English and some in Shuyuk. I don't know, Shuyuk, maybe dice? So we're gonna film more. So, big shrine as well. The shrine. He's gonna show some more artwork. And we have this building too. This one's beautiful. Wow, look at that. So out loud. Actually, I'll explain this right here. This is there's an artist in Macau, and they just they take a chisel and just like chisel all this stuff. So this is like basically they chisel this out, and then like it looks like, you know, scratchings, but then when you get back a little bit, actually you can see it really well in the camera. You can see the artwork of it. And I guess this is the name of the artist right here. But yeah, I really like that artwork when I see it. And I see it everywhere in Macau. Oh, here's a little, got little bean bags in here. Oh, nice place. Okay, so we're gonna walk. I'm doing more, some construction here. Okay, got some more artwork in here too. Similar artist. few unsnows. Oh, I've taken pictures of this one before. This is really beautiful artwork. Yeah, actually, I think I had a picture once where I was like right in this spot, and I was there was no car here, but I was kind of able to zoom in, capture it like that, and I was like really small because, you know, like my size would be. This is where my camera would be, like right here, which is right about here. So that's my top of my head. And then you put it in context, right? So it's like double that. But this is nothing compared to the one that's on the other side. So we're just gonna go over this one. And we're gonna go around. You can see some more artwork over on that side. Some more artwork over here. Taters to Sudo. So that means to see what else we can capture around here. Some more artwork on that one. Yeah, actually this building looks pretty cool too. That looks really cool, right? Framing in this one looks really amazing. This is called the Blossom Cafe. So actually some really amazing artwork here. So yeah, look how beautiful that is. Wow. There's the Blossom Cafe. So we're gonna come a little bit closer. Take a look in there. So let's see, I just want to show you something too. So we had a this is a typhoon storm surge came in. So I guess it came to, wow, okay. All right. So I guess there was like 3 different measurements. So maybe these are 3 different storms. So one of them was here, one of them was here, and one of them was up to here. And again, for context, this is where my head is at, like right here. You see my head for context. So that would be over my head right there already. This one would be, yeah, my mouth is for context. My mouth would be here. So if I was here, I'd have to be jumping up constantly. Hopefully there'd be no waves, right? So that's context of this storm surge. Storm surge, we had some typhoons come in, and they brought in all this water, and it's kind of stayed in here for like a day and a half, I think, until it dried out. But when it was at its height, it was like way up there, so all these buildings would have been completely ruined. It would have came in, you know, to that same level, which is here, right, where this block is at. So that would be like go over the whole door. So just for some context, some more artwork down there. What else was I going to show you? I guess I was going to show you the context of that. And yeah, actually, Macau has kind of blocky buildings. It's a little park, kids playing. So this is the hotel right here, London Hotel. And I'm just going to go around the block. So I want to go back to the start again so you can see this right here. You can take your shoes off and step in the spot. I'll just zoom in a little bit. You can see these are like circulation. So you walk on that with your feet, and it's like really good for your circulation. Hotel S. And we're just gonna walk back around, and I'm gonna capture the beginning part again because it's so beautiful. So this is this whole little space right here. So we're just gonna show you, and then you can see this whole little park right here. And then I'm gonna walk through this little spot. Oops. And then we're gonna show you this space right here. So this is the start of the context. So this is for context, you know, here, here. So yep, just step back a little bit. Try to capture this from this angle. Amazing, right? All right, so we're gonna just end this in this space. Chiquinha,